Could you tell me what is it you fear the most in this world?
What I fear?
Yeah, the most.
What I fear is intolerance. That is the greatest calamity that could have befallen man and has befallen man in many ways, sometimes overtly and sometimes covertly. For instance, non-tolerance of the other's views is also witnessed in the media of propaganda. They choose and pick only those things which they want to propagate. And in fact, they disarm the other side by not giving the other side proper space and enough time in their media to speak their language. So intolerance has many guises, many ways of expression. So man today is very intolerant, I think, unfortunately.